In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull after hours. We'll walk through this on the desktop or web version using paper trading, which is a safe, simulated environment to practice before risking real money. After-hours trading happens outside the regular market session, so liquidity can be thinner and prices can move quickly. That's why the platform requires a specific order type and setting to make your orders eligible. Start by opening paper trading from the main menu. This switches you into the simulation, so any action you take is practice only. Once you're in, choose the stock you want to trade. You can pick it directly from your watch list if you've already saved it there, or use the search box to find it by ticker. Make sure you've selected the correct symbol before continuing. Next, open the order ticket. You can do this by clicking Trade, Buy, or Sell on the stock's page. This brings up the order form where you'll set up everything for your trade. Because we're targeting extended hours, you need to select Limit Order as your order type. Market orders aren't appropriate for after hours since prices can jump and spreads may be wide. A limit order lets you define the maximum you'll pay when buying or the minimum you'll accept when selling, giving you control in a less liquid session. Now, enable after hours for the order. Look for a field labeled Trading Hours or something similar on the ticket. Choose the option that says Include XT or Extended Hours. This tells Webull to make your paper trade eligible for execution during the after-hours session. If you don't see the field, the platform may include extended hours automatically based on default settings, but it's typically visible right on the order form. Set your price and quantity. Enter the limit price that reflects the most you're willing to pay or the least you're willing to receive. It's helpful to glance at the current bid and ask to place a realistic price, especially when spreads widen after the close. Then, type in the number of shares you want to trade and double-check both entries for accuracy. Finally, submit the order by clicking Buy or Sell. Your paper trade will be queued for the extended session and will only execute if the market reaches your limit price during those after-hours times. Keep in mind, U.S. after-hours typically runs after the closing bell into the evening, and conditions can differ from regular hours. That's it. You've set up an after-hours paper trade on Webull with control, clarity, and confidence.